Bahay na pala ako guys, 12, magta-12:10 na. And bumalik ako sa Coast. Bumili ako ng ito. Kasi nung tinignan ko yung oras, 11:35. Sabi ko, baka hindi ko magawa yung cake ni Sak. Pero gagawin ko pa rin, just in case na hindi ko ba magawa or matapos. Meron tayong pang backup na mga, ayan, dessert. And bumili rin akong donuts. So, ito yung binalikan ko. Ito yung binalikan ko. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng donuts. So, meron ako ditong yung jam, tapos yung cinnamon. And bumili rin ako ng blueberry cupcakes. And ito yung long life na chicken cream and hot dog. Meron pa ako jam, pero pang stock ko to just in case, you know. So, yan yung ating binalikan and ito yung mga binili natin sa Coles. I-put away ko lang to guys. And magluto muna ako, okay? And si Johnny Boy, nandun siya sa shop ko. Mayroon siyang ginagawa doon. So ngayon, magluto muna ako ng spaghetti. And wala silang bell pepper, walang capsicum sa Coles. Akala ko nung kailan pa yung wala silang capsicum. Nung last time, akala ko lang gabi na ako or late na ako nag-grocery, kaya nauubusan ako. Pero ngayon maaga ako, wala silang wala. Bakit kaya? Sa She's Apple ako nakakabili, pero hindi ako dumaan doon ngayon kasi nga, nagmamadali ako maka-out kasi nga, magluluto tayo. Binilang ko nito si Sak kasi favorite niya to. Ayan. Si Kuya, hindi na siya masyadong ma-chips. And kung mapapansin nyo, wala na ako masyadong binibiling mga snacks like yung mga biscuits na yung shapes or yung teddies or yeah. Hindi na sila masyado na nagpapabili ng ganun kasi hindi rin naman nila. Meron pa nga dyan, hindi nila naubos. So bumili ako nito, ipatry ko to, baka magustuhan nila tong digestives. Ayan. So try natin. And eto, bumili ako ng siguro tigda 3. And eto, bumili akong mini. Eto, gusto nila to. So, yun lang muna binili ko. Gusto ko silang isama pag bibili ng ng snacks nila para hindi masayang. Kasi meron ako dito. Eto nga, meron pa ako nito, yung Nice and Natural Thick Shake. Nilagay ko to sa baunan nila. Iniwan din nila. So, hindi na nila kinakain yung kahit yung mga bars. So, hirap na akong pabaunan sila aside doon sa ginagawa kong lunch nila. Pero yung mga snacks, hindi na sila masyado. So, bumili rin ako nito. And eto, 3 atang bili ko nito. Para stock natin dito. And ano pa ba? So, yan. So, sige, magluto muna ako, guys. And bumili rin ako ng chicken. This time, hindi ko siya iniwan. Or naiwan. Mag-asikaso muna ako, put away and magluto. Kasi, pupunta pa ako ng town kasi si Holly may dancing. Diba? Apron ako, guys. And, yung gamit kong battery kanina, nung tayo, nung nag-start ako mag-vlog, gamit yan. Lobat na agad. So, nag-change tayo and sinacharge ko yan. Nag-apron din ako kasi nakaputi tayong jacket. I-preheat ko yung oven. Habang nagpo-put away ako. Ito paglalagyan natin dito ng grapes. Ay. Nilagay ko muna ito dito. Nilagay ko na yung dessert natin, yung assorted dessert sa sa fridge para hindi siya magmelt kasi ang init ngayon dito sa bahay namin, guys. Malamig sa labas, mainit dito sa loob. Lagyan lang natin ito. Bumili ako nitong bag kasi naubusan na tayo ng hindi. Kailangan ko pala ito sa baking. Hindi pa ako tapos put away. Sabi ko, unahin ko na muna to. Kasi baka hindi ako umabot. Anong oras na? Ang bilis ng oras, guys. 12:25 na. Nagpapakulo na rin ako ng tubig para sa noodles. So, ito yung cake na request ni Zach. Kahapon, gabi na kami nakauwi, kaya hindi na rin ako sabi ko sa inyo magla-live pa ako nun, di ba? Hindi na ako nakabalik sa live. Kasi gabi na kami nakauwi. Kasi may presentation sa golf. So, wala. Kaya ngayon ko gagawin lahat. Nagpa-flashing na naman kayo, guys. Hindi ko na alam dyan sa ating battery, guys. Flashing kayo. So, isave natin ang battery, ha? Kasi yung isa, orange na orange pa. Basta ito yung cake ni Sak. And hopefully matapos ko. May binili akong sugar. Nasa ay, lagay ko muna yung parang fruits. Yung fruits sa fridge. Wala na na yung asukal. And eto, bumili ako ng pork. Pork means para sa ating spring rolls na gagawin. Hindi ko pa magawa-gawa yung spring rolls. Pero meron pa ako dyan na sa freezer. Yun na siguro munang kainin namin tonight. If may time, lutuin ko yun. Pag may time, lutuin ko siya. Ilabas ko yun bago ako umalis. So, yan na yung cake ng birthday boy natin na si Sak. Ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. So, nakasalang na yung ating cake. Yung pasta, yung noodles, luto na din. Ngayon, gawin ko muna yung request ni Jan. Nag-request si Jan na mag-fruit salad daw tayo. So, mag-fruit salad muna ako. Then, gawin ko yung spaghetti sauce. Maghihiwa tayo ng mga, hotdog, tsaka yung bawang sibuyas. Wala nga tayong capsicum, diba? So, yun ang ating next na gagawin. Anong oras na? Oh my God. 1:20. Mag-1:20. 1:19, 1:20. Ayan na yung ating fruit salad. Lagay ko muna ito sa freezer para malamig talaga siya mamaya. And yung cake natin, nag-alarm na. Oops. Ayan na yung cake natin. Check lang natin siya. Okay. Clean na siya, guys. So, okay na yan. Palamigin ko na lang yan. Ngayon, magluto na ako ng sauce para sa spaghetti natin. Sinusutay ko na yung ating ground beef or beef mince. And yung oras is 5 minutes to 2. Sutay lang natin ito. Tapos maghiwa akong hotdog. And si Jan, nandito si Jan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano ginagawa niya. Ayan siya. Pawis na siya. Ayan, meron na siyang nagawang dalawa. Ayan, para sa aking mga parating na Korean products. And para malipat ko na rin yung aking, ito ba, yan yung mga, ito, yung mga ito. So, para ma-organize ko na sila doon. Balik na tayo sa kusina. Hindi ko na love yung binuksan kong Korean coats. And meron pa tayo dito box. And hindi ko pa natupi yan, guys. Hindi ko pa yan natupi. So, ayan na yung sauce. Tapos na, guys. So, alis na ako kasi si Holly na naman ang pipick upin ko. Dito na ako sa school.
Just bring your bag. Bring your bag.
Hi, Zach. Happy birthday. Yeah, the card? Yeah.
Mom, I forgot to bring my card. Just
Did
kidding.
you? Punta kami ng Big W kasi si Zach may gift card na worth $50. Si Holly may $40. Ayan. Si Holly muna. Holly. Ano? Na? What's that?
It's a Handa and
Panda?
how much guys? These are $50.
Ayan.
Oh, we'll manage, I'm sure. Do you want it now, the green button? Hold that, because that's still got money on it.
Yeah. Tapos tayo sa Big W. Dito naman tayo sa Intersport para kay Zaki Boy. What you gonna get, Zach? Huh? You don't know? I'm just looking. That's too big. You want that one?
There's like this.
Okay.
There's this one.
Alright.
Fancy bag stuff. There you go.
Thank
No worries, thanks.
Wala siyang size doon sa Intersport ng Crocs. Dito naman tayo sa Arena.
When we went to go, she had surgery in
Ayan. Is that your size?
I think.
a bit bigger.
A bit bigger? What's that, Zach? What's that?
It's gonna be over 100 for the price.
Meron kasi siyang nakuha doon sa kabila na G-Bets.
How much does it cost?
Yung G-Bets na ano, eto, yung Siltex. Tapos dito merong Lakers. Gusto niya din. Sabi ko, it's up to you.
It's actually
Tapos sabi niya, should I? I know, it's all. Do you like that? Huh? Huh?
Mom, these could fit.
You like that one?
Mom, these could fit all right.
Sticker out too?
Go, Papa.
Here's the stuff.
Thank you.
No worries, I'll grab your receipt.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. Thanks. There you go.
Thank you. You're happy now? You're welcome. You like what you got? Okay, that's good.
There's
What?
only $8 all in total for this.
What you got? Nasa dancing si Holly.
These are good. These. And blue bell one. They're only $2.70.
Ito na. Finally, let's go. Alas 6 na, guys. Tapos
So
na si
sticky.
Holly. Yeah, yung ramo ni na drinks na ano, natapon ni Sak yung nabili niya
Uy,
doon.
bawang.
Binuksan niya, tapos yun, ano siya, natapon. Okay, let's go. Bahay na kami, guys. Hindi niya alam kung ginawa sa
Time, Zachary!
What'd you get? Oh, he went to Rip Kill. So, no, you didn't. What?
Yan yung gift ko kay Sak. Well, yung ginamit niya yung $50, but the rest ako na yung bumili.
They go on his football.
This one is $35.
No, they're both there. But Mum got me. Why not me?
Huh?
I got these two.
I'm sure.
See?
You want one too, yeah?
I want kitty.
Oh, malulubat na naman tayo. Sinusukat ni Kuya.
Zachary. Pull them down. Oh. Pull them down.
Nalubat tayo, guys. Binigay ni Jan yung gift niya. Ayan. Ayan yung gift ni Johnny Boy sa kanya.
Just gotta let it kick it around, you know, let it
Wait, you can't bring this to food.
Di natin nakuha yung reaction ni Zach.
go, kick it around.
Nalubat tayo, guys.
Huh?
Hindi natin nakuha yung reaction ni Zach. Yung regalo ni Jan na bola sa kanya, isa yan sa pinaka the best nyo nang mabibiling foodie ball na na maganda yung leather. Iba yan doon sa mga binibili namin na footy. So yan daw yung the best na. Okay. Ito yung iniwan ko siya, guys, on dito. Wala pa tong frosting.
Just that.
Wala pang frosting. Nasaan na yung aking ano?
That's right.
Andito. Mayroon akong ginawa. Eto. Linagay ko sa microwave. So, buksan ko na. Hatiin ko na yung cake. Sak! Come here.
Is that my cake? You said you didn't.
It's not done, though.
What's in there, Laura?
Huh?
Yes, the one.
Huh? It's good.
Kitty! Daddy, lift me.
Thanks, Dad.
Daddy. There we go, Dad.
Zach.
Lift me. Dad, there we go. Something for...
Sinasabayan siya ng daddy niya. I-look after mo yung bolang yan. Hindi mo yan pwedeng iiwan lang sa labas. Hindi yan tulad ng mga bola nyo na iiwan nyo lang sa... Yeah, I'm just gonna put the frosting, Baba. Okay, gawin ko na to, guys. Para makakain na kami. Anong oras na? 6:30 na. Ayan na yung ating cake. Nalagay ko na yung ganache. Ilagay muna natin siya sa rep kasi para mag-set siya. Buksan na natin yung binili kong oil. Yung rice bran oil. Para makaluto tayo ng spring rolls. Ayan na yung ating spring rolls. Kinakain ni Kuya yung top 2 ng cake. Ayan. Iniinit ko lang yung ating spaghetti sa oven.
So good. I'm really eating jam.
Jam, you don't like the cinnamon?
Jam's best. Jam's best one you can get. I want cupcakes instead of...
Cupcakes? How about your cupcake?
Cupcakes? No, they're only muffins.
Muffins.
Do anything.
Get the little strawberry vanilla one.
How about the cinnamon? No. Ay, wala yung cinnamon daddy lang. Tapos na ba ako magluto ng spring roll?
Mom,
Here.
are those donuts jam
Yeah.
or cinnamon?
I
Cinnamon!
got both.
Cinnamon.
Daddy like.
What's that one? That one's both.
Daddy.
I don't like jam. I only like cinnamon.
That's why I get both. Oh, we are different.
No, that's yours.
Sisa, inaamoy-amoy nyo na yung kanyang
It still does.
crock. Ilang sila sa bato?
got my top.
Anim. Lagay ko lang dito yung dessert. Tapos yung chicken, yung roasted chicken na doon. And yung spring rolls.
Have you got this cake?
Yeah. Is that like this?
What is that?
Wait, I've seen that before, Mom.
No,
Where?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
that.
Which one?
Mom, what
You
is
like
it?
anything?
No.
Cheesecake, hon?
Yep.
Passion?
no.
No?
Yes, please, Mom. I'm
Probably
having
not
some.
gonna have that one. Oh, Dad, someone at our school.
Guess who's this?
You usually like smoking. Do you have candles?
Yeah, I do have candles. So, ito na yung handa ni Sake for 11th birthday.
No, 12.
So, ayan. 11.
No, it's 12.
Ayan na yung ating dessert. Pero ilalagay ko yan doon mamaya. Pero pakita ko lang sa inyo.
I
Ayan.
turned 10.
11. I know. Sake, smile.
Small Jack. Small Jackery.
Smile. Look at the lens, not the screen. 1, 2, 3.
Let's eat! Get out.
Picture lang kami. Okay, let's get it. Okay.
Are you put that in the fridge?
Yeah, I will.
That one.
Yeah.
These are...
Bag natin yung dessert sa fridge kasi.
Oh.
Careful with this one, honey, ha? Sack, sit down. Where is Kuya?
Fresh in the water, the Sun Princess is the last.
Yeah.
And now
I've got 2 hot dogs already.
There
Where you go?
you go.
Fork, please, Dad.
Alright.
That fork, please.
Just as well, it plots a path
Yeah.
along the
That's
stunning
not
Yeah,
alright.
for now.
You ate more
No,
than that.
for now. Remember I had toast?
Oh, two.
Well, unless you're ready. Getting a shot. Going.
And you gonna eat, Mum?
Yeah.
The next generation lots. What happens in Europe stays in Europe. Unless you're a current affair.
Dad, do you like the table the other way? Would you like it the other way? Why don't you like it here?
Sorry that we don't give you that for salad.
Yeah, soon I cry that time.
I think I do.
Surely.
Yes, I do.
We didn't die.
Yeah.
And if you want to see what
It's
happens
over.
when you put MABALOS on a cruise ship, tune in on Saturday. Coming up, a mystery man from Jersey
Yeah.
Beach,
What?
On the 10th of May.
and it's not his first time. A man doing his business in a
Okay, kain, guys. I need, you want some chili sauce? No?
Only I have it in wraps.
Only the wraps.
Oh, I might have.
How's the spaghetti?
Good.
Huh?
Good one. Good service.
How about the spring rolls? What do you mean chicken? Just the chicken. Spring rolls alright?
great weekly half price on Bonds products.
Have more sauce there.
Today's fresh food people.
Do it back chicken.
Today?
You already had
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, I lost that one. We didn't.
From the leg.
Yeah, I want the wing.
Including
Yeah, it's like that.
and platinum safety rating from only 49.
I want the wings to be at least. Can you do it for me?
Introducing
I want the whole.
Huh?
the whole one. Way to keep your bread soft and soft for longer.
Oh.
Only the boys
Breads are
That
another
will
little size the container to help your bread stay ready to eat longer. Find out at these leading retailers.
Now there's casual every day with Skechers Go Walk. The comfort starts with my hands-free Skechers Go Walk slip-ins. Plus, there's Go Walk
Already had a quarter.
changing keys. Experience Skechers Go Walk footwear and apparel.
And you could do with an extra loo or two, hire it from Limestone Coast Luxury Portable Bathroom.
Are you a good one?
Wherever you are, we'll deliver and install. Call or message for a quote.
No more restless nights. A
Want more, Holly?
Hang your that one. Thank you.
Oh. Are you full? Getting full.
I told you not to eat that.
Huh?
Told you not to eat in the car.
Probably shouldn't have.
Or Jaden Car.
Wala. It's like boy
bawang. Got panda.
Pandas, cracker. I told him not to eat.
The marble drink. It's my birthday. Wow. Can we wait a bit for the cake?
Yeah, you can eat that one. Huh? Nice chicken, huh?
Yeah, I'm just trying it.
Get that one. That's the best
This
part.
one?
Yeah. That's lots of meat there. Yeah, that one.
Mom, I'm just saying, can I have the lettuce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bone there, isn't it? Oh, bone.
No, that's only that part.
Yeah.
You got bone? Ayaw niya may buto. That's the best part too. Juicy.
Tasty. Mommy, Dad, I fell asleep on the bus before.
Well,
Have you? Who woke you up? Ella. Who's Ella? How do you not know? Layla? Ella. Who's Ella to you on our bus? You know that girl that had that broken leg? That one? Yeah, that's Ella. Guys, I finished my food and it was delicious. And my mum's the best because she makes me food, got me presents, and my dad. And she said she didn't. She said that we didn't want to get a cake, and then she said there was none at Coles. So, and then she surprised me at home. And yeah, she's the best.
Am I?
Yep. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Birthday niya pero siya yung nagliligpit ng mga kinainan ng mga kasama namin. Thank you, Saki Boy. Tapos na kaming kumain. Pahinga-hinga lang bago mag-dessert. Ayan. Alam na ang kakainin bukas. Meron pa akong gagawing calamari dyan, guys. Thank you, Saki Boy. Ilagay niya na raw yung G-Bets or charm ng Crocs niya. Si Holly yan. Or studs. Hindi. Studs tawag niya dyan. Si Holly yan yung nakuha niya sa sa Big W.
And I can't wait to play with it. This is the Boston Celtics and this one's the Los Angeles Lakers.
Lakers.
Oh, Mom, I got it. So I'm gonna have these two on one.
Okay.
But oh, should I just have it like? I called it Lucy.
Her name is Lucy. Ang ending, guys, ako naglagay ng what you call this?
Boston Celtics.
No, the
Gibbets.
Gibbets. Yung charms. Nahirapan siya maglagay. Ayan yung Celtics and Lakers.
And this
Welcome.
is Chloe.
Ayan ang kay Holly. Okay, mag-cake na raw sila. 1 minute na lang to. More than less than 2 minutes. So, kunin natin yung cake. Okay, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chona. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip
Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday,
I
Zach.
wished you today, because his birthday so quick. What's your wish for?
Birthday.
What's your wish for?
Okay, you're gonna cut.
Okay. Go.
Oh,
trying to spit on
Why
it.
not me?
Don't hit the button.
I hit the bottom?
Yeah. This one.
No, I hit it till there.
Okay. Who's this one?
Cause that's the best.
No, Dad's, because I don't want mine to be. Get it, Crane.
I don't
Please.
want to leave.
I'll get it. Wait.
Pardon ako.
This is that.
I'm not having any.
Si Kuya ayaw niya.
Is that fruit salad?
Yeah, we do have fruit
I
salad.
want some fruit salad.
Ito yun, guys.
Fruit salad. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah.
Ay, di niya makita.
I just want fruit salad. I don't want meat.
You don't want
Maybe
cake.
just a bit more bar.
More?
Yeah, just a little bit more.
More pa sa
Hey, now I
kanya.
got the cream.
I just want fruit salad.
The fruit salad's in the other
If there's
fridge.
any leftover cake, can we have it for tomorrow for school?
Yeah.
You got cream, Jack?
You
Yeah,
want?
you'll-
Wait, whose is this? Whose
You
is
can
this?
do that.
Dad, whose is this?
Mine, leave it.
Alright, I'm having it.
Zach, this is enough?
Dad, I'm having it.
Only the fruit salad is in the other fridge. Put it down there. Sarap ng ng ganache natin, guys. Get the fruit salad.
I'll get it for you, Mom.
Ang daming cream. Ako guys, antok na ako. Gusto ko lang matulog. Nakapaghugas na nga. Good night, kuya. Anong oras na? 8:30 na. Bedtime na nila. You need bowl, Holly. Okay, try your cake here. What do you need?
I want a little bit of fruit salad too.
Okay, put this back, please. Okay, put this one, please.
Yup.
You want fruit salad, no? Try your cake now. Is this enough or more?
Yeah.
Okay. Try your cake here. Favorite name? Is that your favorite cake?
Good. Like always.
Huh?
Good like always.
Good like always. Han, do you want fruit salad?
Oh,
Not tonight?
no, right.
You said you want fruit salad.
Yeah, well, I've got this.
So, pinili niya yung cake. Favorite kasi nila yung cake na yan. Tsaka, minsan ko lang din talaga yung ginagawa. Ay, sorry. Okay, let's close the vlog na, guys.
Mom,
Magpapahinga na ako.
can someone get me a spoon, please?
Here. Thank you, guys.
Please
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next vlog. Bye. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Love you.
Si Kuya, nasa bed na.
Is it pineapple in this?
Yeah.
Where's pineapple? Or is it like frozen fruit?
Yeah. But, Zach, you put this one first. I'm gonna wash my face now.
I'll go to our tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because I think I do want you next to me.